In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an account on Moonshot app and how to start using this app on your mobile. We will start off by opening up Moonshot on our mobile, and you will see this kind of interface right here. You can skip these options for now, and what we can do is click on this register or sign in option, and once you do that, it will ask us to put our email right here. Simply go and click on it, agree to the terms, and select OK. Now it will send a verification code to your email. Put that code right here and your account will be created. Here you will see this kind of interface showing your total balance, top gainers, and the trending meme coins right now in the market. Now the next step we're gonna do is head over to this holding section by clicking on this icon in the bottom right, and once you do that you will see this kind of interface. Now here you can deposit, send and withdraw Solana on your Moonshot wallet by going to this section right here, and once you have deposited Solana, now this is the address of your Moonshot wallet which you can use to deposit Solana on it. And once we have deposit some Solana in your wallet, you can select any trending meme coin of your choice right here, and according to your balance here you can see some of the necessary information like market cap, volume, holder, circulating supply, and create it at. Now after that you can go ahead and make your purchase. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.